Hello students, in this class we'll see arithmetic progression LBA lesson based assessment 2 marks questions. We have seen already 1 mark MCQ and 1 mark subjective ones. We'll see 2 marks questions in this class. I will if the questions are straightforward I'll not be solving them. If they're only kind of difficult I will go through them. Find the 15th term of the AP using formula. You can find the 15th term because A15 is what? A15 is A plus 14D. From the AP, you can make out A is 2, D is 5, right? You can substitute and find it. I'm just giving hint because it's a kind of revision class. We are not here to solve every question. Find the number of terms of the AP. So here you have to find N because A is 100, D is 96 minus 100, that is minus 4. And L means AN is 12. Find N here. Okay, you can find that using AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into 2. That is fifth, we'll see. There are 10 terms in the AP, means N is equal to 10. Last term is 34, means A10 is 34. Because why A10 means number of terms are 10 and last term is means it's a 10th term. Common difference is 3. Find the first term, means A10 is equal to A plus 9D you apply. A10 is how much? 34 is equal to A plus 9 into 3. Solve for A. 34 minus 27 becomes 7, right? Just check out 9 3 is 27. When transpose minus 27, 34 minus 27 is 7. 35 is over. Let's see the 36. Find out which term is 95. It's very important. It's already there in the question textbook. Which term is 95 means you assign that to 95. Okay. Then find N here. So A is minus 1, D is 3 minus of minus 1. That is 3 plus 1, 4. So N is question mark. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Assign and find the N. Okay. We'll move next question. 37th. I'll give you a hint. You should try yourself. Find whether 77 is a term of AP. Yes, this will solve completely. See, both are same. In 36, it is sure that 95 is in AP. Here, 77, check whether this is in AP. Means when you find N, in both cases we are finding N. If N comes as integer, then it's a part of AP. Let's see. I'll solve this. Consider AP 1, 5, 9, 13 dash dash dash. When AP is given in question, you just get it. Then assign the values A equal to 1, D equal to 9 minus 5, 4. Let AN is equal to 77. Okay. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. You write the formula. 77 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D is 4. 76 equal to N minus 1 into 4. 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 9 ja. N minus 1 is equal to 19. N is equal to 20. Therefore, yes, 77 is a term of AP, 20th term. 20th term of AP. Okay. It's important only. This similar question is there in the exercise as well. 38th we will see. Find the 26th term, which is same as 33. 39th we'll see. Find the 30th term, both are same here. Find the 40th we'll solve because some formula has come. Sum of first 10 terms. S10 is what? Means N is 10 here. AP is 3 plus 7 plus 11 dash dash dash. From that one, even if it is given as series, now when you see the terms has plus in between, it's a series. When you have comma in between the terms, it is sequence. Nothing matters here to get the values of A and D. 7 minus 3, 4. A is 3, D is 4. S10 means N is 10 here. So we have to find formula Sn is equal to N by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is S10 is equal to 10 by 2. 2 of a means 3 plus 10 minus 1 into d is what? 4. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 5 of 2 3 ja 6 plus 9 4 ja 36. 5 into 42 becomes 10 21. Right? 5 2 ja 10, 5 4 ja 21 carry. That's it. We'll see the 41st one. 41st, though it is a kind of word problem, but still it's in AP. Let's check out. Water is heated up to 24 degrees Celsius at constant pressure. When the heating of water is continued, the temperature of water is increasing at a rate of 4 degrees Celsius per minute. Means every minute it is increasing at 4 degree. Means the first initial temperature gives us the first term, that is 24. Therefore, how many minutes are required for water to reach 100 degrees Celsius? Means they have given 100 degrees Celsius at the end. Means AN is 100 degrees Celsius. How many minutes are required? Means you have to find N here. Okay. So from given info, what we get is AP is, from given info, AP is 24, 4 increasing, right? Like that, it is 100. So A is 24, D is 28 minus 24, that is 4, AN is 100. Find N. So using AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 100 is equal to A is 24 plus N minus 1 into D is 4. 24, when you transpose minus 24, this becomes 76 is equal to N minus 1 into 4. 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 9 ja, N is equal to 20. Therefore, required minutes equal to 20 minutes to reach water to 100 degrees Celsius. Simple application formula. Okay. This is the next 42nd one. Oh, there are so many questions. We'll see quickly. If they're related in the textbook questions, I'm skipping them. Find the sum of first 10 terms. We just saw that. We can do yourself 42. Find the sum of first 20 positive terms. Yes, we will solve this using formula. Okay. That means 43, n is equal to 20. When they said, remember, sum of first 20 positive integers, means there is a formula, sum of first 10 natural integers, that is Sn is equal to n of n plus 1 by 2. Remember, so 20 plus 1 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja, 10 into 21 is 210. That means the question is like this: 1 plus 2 plus 3, when you add till 20, what is the sum? So here A is B1, D will be 1. So the formula reduces to this actually. So you have to use the straight formula. Sum of n terms, first n natural terms is n of n plus 1 by 2. So we're done. It's a good question. 42 is 43 is done. 44. Which term of this is 210? Means you have to find AN. Okay. Means A is 21. D is 42 minus 21, that is 21. AN is 210. N is what? Here you have to find N is equal to. You can find it using AN formula. Okay. We'll see the next question. 45th. Find the sum of first 10 terms. Similar to the 10 terms, you get the value N here. Let's see. I'll solve that formula question. 45. Consider AP 1, 3, 5, 7 dash 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 using till N. Okay. So here A equal to 1, D equal to 3 minus 1, 2. Number of terms we don't know, N only. So Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D, N by 2. 2A means 2 into 1 is 2A, N minus 1 same, D is 2. N by 2, 2 plus 2N minus 2 cancels. N by 2 of 2N, 2 cancels, N square. Okay. Remember, it's easy question, and it's there in the textbook as well. I just recapped it. 45th is done. 46th You can do your own. Sum of n terms. How many two-digit numbers divisible by 3? I'll take this. This is there in the textbook as well. So two-digit number divisible by 3 means first two-digit number 10 will not be divisible by 3. 11, no. 12, yes. Then multiple of 3, 15, 18. Last two-digit number is 99. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So AP, first you have to find AP then. Then you will get A equal to 2, 12. D equal to 15 minus 12 because 3 only, because it's a multiple of 3 only. Then last AN is what? 99. N is equal to question mark. You find N using AN formula. Okay. We'll move ahead. 48th we'll say. Find the sum of natural numbers between 1 and 201 by divisible by 5. Same question. I'll give the AP, then you find N there. Means first 5 dash 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 10. 201 will not be divided by 5. So 200. Here A is 5, D is 10 minus 5, 5, AN is 200. Then what you have to find? Find the sum of natural numbers divisible by 5. First you find N here, or you can do one thing. You apply sum, they asked, right? Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. Means L means AN, right? AN. N we don't have number of terms here, right? So for that one, separately find AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D and find N there and come back and apply here. Okay, you will get the sum. Okay, we'll move to the next question. 49th is important. Please mark it. This is application problem only. We have seen this example in 1 mark questions, 6 comma x comma 14 kind of thing. So you have to show that means they have given a comma b are in AP, right? You have to show a equal to a plus b by 2. Very simple. Find the common difference for both available terms. Common difference should be equal, right? So that is a minus a equal to b minus a, because these are common difference. So a plus a equal to b plus a, 2a equal to b plus a equal to a plus b by 2, hence proof. Check out. Right? We know that, but they asked in different method. 50th. Very important. This is very important. Mark it, very important. Find the first negative term of the AP. So we don't know first negative term. Let's see. First 25, 20, 15. Okay, AP. Consider AP. First take 25. D is what? 20 minus 25 becomes minus 5. First find AN here. We don't know N also. We find first AN here. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. You substitute the values of A and D. A is what? 25 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 5. Okay. Then 25 minus 5N plus 5, because minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. Then 25 plus 5 is 30 minus 5N. Just think through here. What value of N gives you negative value? That's what they want. So for AN to be negative means less than 0, right? N5 means what? 5 as a 25, you'll get 5. N6 means 5 6 is 30, 30 minus 60, 0. It's not a negative. So N should be greater than 7, right? N should be greater than 6. Therefore, N is equal to 7 gives you the first negative number. Remember, 7 gives us the first negative number. So which is the first negative term they asked, right? So A7 is equal to first negative term number. So we find that A is what? 25 plus 6D. 6 of minus 5. 25 minus 30 minus 5. Find which is the first negative term they asked. Means nth, 7th term is the first negative term. Remember, this is very, very important formula. Question, sorry. We'll move ahead. 52. Find which term of this more than, okay, we'll solve this also. This is also there in the textbook actually. You can solve it, but I'll recap it. Consider AP 3, 15, 27, 39 dash dash dash. So here what is A? 3 E equal to 15 minus 3, 12. Read the question. Which term is 132 more than 54th term? Means first you find 54th term. A plus 53D. A is what? 3 plus 53 of 12. 3 plus 12 3 is a 36. 12 5 is a 60. 66. So 639. So now A54 plus 132 gives how much? 639 plus 132 gives 11, 7, 7. Now they are asking which is this 771 in this AP, which term, means it is same as before numbers we saw, right? So we assign this to AN and find N there. That's it. So let AN is equal to 771. Therefore AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 771 is equal to 3 plus N minus 1 into 12. You find N, you get the answer. 771 minus 3 is 768 equal to N minus 1 into 12. 768. 12 ones are, or 4 you can solve, or if you don't know the 12 numbers, I cancel by 12. 12, so N is equal to 65. Therefore, 65th term in the given AP is 132 more than 54th term, remember. Therefore, just conclude, therefore, 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. Important question, this should be asked in 3 marks, but they have given in 2 marks. We'll move to the next question, 53. Find how many terms of AP must be added to get the sum, means Sn they are given. Find N here. Consider AP. What is AP? 3, 6, 9 dash dash dash. A equal to 3. D equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. N we don't know. We want to find N. N is equal to. Can you find yourself? N by 2. 2A plus N minus 1 into D. I'll solve quickly. Let's see. 165 is given. N by 2. 2A means 2 of 3 plus N minus 1 into D is 3. You get a equation here actually, quadratic equation, remember. So 165 into 2 is 165, 130, 230, right? 320, 330 equal to N of 6 plus 3N minus 3, right? Now you see 330 equal to N of 3N plus 3. So open the bracket, 3N square plus 3N. So take one side, 3N square plus 3N minus 330. 3N square 3 if you take common, N minus 11. So formula quadratic equation becomes like this. For the factors 11 10 ja plus and minus, you get plus 1 and minus product. So after solving this, we get N is equal to minus 11, N is equal to plus 10. Therefore, N cannot be negative. Therefore, N is equal to 10. Answer 10 terms. First 10 terms. Therefore, S10 is equal to 165. That's what we required. Okay. We saw a couple of very good questions in this, which is the first negative term here. I'll just recap. First negative term is very important question here. And what test? The other one, A plus B by 2. That's the important, good question. Then this is okay. 41 is what problem is okay. Okay, everything is else okay. Okay, thank you.